Welcome to Scrape Genius. How to use Sulekha Scraper.
Artlist.io.
First, prepare your preferred keywords and cities.
Music licensing reimagined.
Now click the search button. Within a few moments, your data will start appearing. Sulekha primarily provides virtual or unverified phone numbers, not original contact information. To retrieve real phone numbers or email addresses, follow steps shown.
Artlist.io.
Now click on Deep Extractor button. Our Deep Extractor tool will search for original contact details from other reliable sources. Once the process is complete,
Music licensing reimagined.
review and download your enhanced data. If you don't receive any data or can't find your preferred keywords, you can switch the scraping method from keywords to URLs. Just click on Switch to URLs. Go to the official Sulekha website, select your keyword category, and copy the URL from your browser's address bar.
Artlist.io.
Paste it into the scraper's URL input field. You can also enter multiple URLs at once. After click on search button, your data will be scraped successfully. You can again use the Deep Extractor for real contact details. Thank you for watching.